How are cucumber pickles made in factory? From the ancient Mesopotamians, who first pickled cucumbers in 2030 BC to preserve them for long journeys, to the pickle enthusiast at the world's largest pickle festival in Atkins, Arkansas, this humble vegetable has traveled through time and across continents. Pickles are more than just a flavorful snack. They offer a range of health benefits such as vitamins A and K, and fermented varieties even provide probiotics that promote gut health. So, how are cucumber pickles made in a factory on such a massive scale? The journey of your favorite cucumber pickles begins in vast agricultural fields, where row after row of vibrant green vines stretch towards the sun. These are no ordinary cucumbers. They're specially cultivated varieties, hand-picked for their ideal size, shape, and texture for pickling. Cucumber farming is an art form in itself. Unlike the cucumbers you might find in your salad, pickling cucumbers are tended with a meticulous eye. Farmers carefully monitor soil conditions, irrigation, and pests to ensure their crop thrives. They even use specialized trellises to elevate the cucumbers, preventing them from becoming misshapen as they grow. As the cucumbers mature, they're meticulously harvested at just the right stage of ripeness. The skilled farmhands move through the fields, gently plucking each cucumber and placing it in collection bins with the utmost care. Once harvested, the cucumbers travel to the processing facility, where the real magic of pickle making begins. The first stop for our cucumbers is the quality control station. Here, trained inspectors examine each batch, looking for any flaws or blemishes that could affect the final product. They're also checking for the perfect size, shape, and firmness. Only the best cucumbers will make it to pickling. After passing inspection, the cucumbers move on to the washing station. Large rotating drums gently tumble the fruit, removing any dirt, debris, or pesticide residue. Now it's time for the cucumbers to take a dip.
No.
Not in brine just yet. First, they need to be sorted by size. Specialized machines use vibrating screens to separate the cucumbers into different size categories. This ensures that each jar or pouch of pickles contains a uniform shape and size, creating that signature visual appeal. Pickles are made using a variety of techniques, with the two most common methods being fermentation and vinegar-based pickling. Fermentation involves allowing cucumbers to soak in a salty brine where natural bacteria transform sugars into lactic acid, creating a tangy, complex flavor while preserving the vegetable. Vinegar-based pickling, on the other hand, uses vinegar and spices to quickly achieve that characteristic sour taste. Each method imparts a unique texture and flavor to the pickles, catering to different palates around the world. Whether it's the crisp bite of a vinegar-brine dill pickle or the deep, zesty notes of a fermented variety, there's a pickle style for everyone. With the cucumbers sorted, it's time for the brine. This seasoned mixture of water, vinegar, salt, and spices is the key to transforming fresh cucumbers into crunchy, flavorful pickles. The exact recipe is a closely guarded trade secret, with each producer tweaking the formula to create their unique flavor profile. The cucumbers are carefully packed into large vats or barrels, where the brine is added. It's a delicate balancing act. Too much brine and the pickles will be overpowering. Too little, and they won't pickle properly. Skilled workers monitor the process, testing the brine's pH and adjusting the recipe to ensure perfect pickles. As the cucumbers soak in their flavorful bath, a remarkable transformation begins. The acid in the vinegar and the salt in the brine work their magic, causing the cucumbers to release their moisture and firm up. Enzymes in the cucumbers also start to break down, creating that signature pickle crunch. The brine vats are climate-controlled environments that are kept at precise temperatures to optimize pickling. Sensors constantly monitor the brine, ensuring the perfect balance of acidity and salinity. It's a delicate dance, with workers making minute adjustments to the recipe as needed. This level of control separates mass-produced pickles from the artisanal batch versions. Every jar is guaranteed to have that signature crunch and flavor profile. But the pickle-making process continues. The brined cucumbers may undergo additional steps depending on the desired final product. Some producers add spices or flavorings to the brine, creating specialty pickle varieties like dill, bread and butter, or spicy versions. Others may remove the cucumbers from the brine after a certain period and subject them to a pasteurization process. This step, which involves heating the pickles to a high temperature and then rapidly cooling them, helps extend the product's shelf life and ensures food safety. After the pickling and additional processing are complete, the cucumbers are ready for packaging. This is where the assembly line kicks into high gear. Automated fill and seal machines work tirelessly, filling jars, pouches, or cans with the perfect amount of pickles and brine and rapidly sealing them shut. But even at this late stage, quality control remains a top priority. Random packages are pulled from the line and tested for everything from brine concentration to texture and flavor. If anything is amiss, the batch is put on hold for further inspection and potential reworking. Once the packaged pickles pass their final checks, they can be shipped to stores and distribution centers worldwide. From there, they'll make their way to the shelves of your local grocery store, waiting to be scooped up by pickle enthusiasts everywhere. But the packaging process isn't just about speed and efficiency. Pickle producers also put a lot of thought into the aesthetics of their products. From classic glass jars that showcase the vibrant green pickles to colorful pouches that jump off the shelves, the packaging is designed to capture the consumer's attention and whet their appetite.
After all,
the first bite starts with the eyes, and pickle makers know that a visually appealing package can make all the difference in today's competitive grocery aisles.
And there you have it.
This is how cucumber pickles are made in a factory on a massive scale.